Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about superior orbital fissure. The name itself it is giving you an idea that the location of that fissure. So this superior orbital fissure which is present in orbital cavities. Before going to explore this particular video, please subscribe to my channel. And let's get started and let us discuss about the fissure which is present in the orbital cavities. So here in this first picture we are seeing the skull from anterior view, and here you can identify the right and left orbital cavities on either side of the nasal cavity. Now in this orbital cavity we can find the eyeball, muscles, vessels, nerves and the lacrimal gland which is present in this cavity. Now in this second picture, I am going to show you clearly how one orbital cavity which is present. So in one orbital cavity, we can find there is a big fissure can be seen. Exactly it is present inferolateral to the optic canal. So this fissure is a pathway or a passage to the nerves which are passing through this fissure and enters into the orbital cavity, and it is going to supply to the muscles and it is going to supply to the lacrimal gland which is present in the orbital cavity, and also the muscles which are present in this orbital cavity, they're all arising from a common part that we are going to see now. Now in this zoom picture we can find how the fissure is beautifully present inferolateral to this optic canal. Now try to see here this fissure which I have been explaining, that is superior orbital fissure, that is giving attachment to a common tendinous ring. That common tendinous ring which is attaching to this superior orbital fissure margins, and that is giving origin to the four recti muscles. Those are superior recti, inferior recti, medial rectus and the lateral recti. So these four rectus muscles are arising from the common tendinous ring of Zinn that is separating the fissure into three compartments. So those are lateral compartment, intermediate compartment and medial compartment. Now this is how the common tendinous ring which is attaching to the fissure margins, and from that particular common tendinous ring these four recti muscles are arising. Here you can identify the superior rectus, medial rectus, lateral rectus, and here you can identify the inferior rectus. Now we are seeing the superior orbital fissure and how the common tendinous ring of Zinn which is separating the superior orbital fissure into three compartments: lateral, intermediate and medial compartments. Now you can see that the common tendinous ring which is giving origin to the four rectus muscles, four recti muscles: superior rectus, inferior rectus, medial rectus and lateral rectus. Now we are going to discuss about how the tendinous ring which is separating the fissure into three compartments: lateral, intermediate and medial, and now we are seeing the structures passing through the lateral compartment. First one is lacrimal nerve. We are discussing the structures from lateral to medial. First one is lacrimal nerve, then you can find the frontal nerve, then you can find the trochlear nerve. So LFT, these are passing through the superior orbital fissure lateral compartment along with a vein called as superior ophthalmic vein. Now intermediate compartment is passing NOA, N-O-A. N stands for nasociliary, O stands for oculomotor. This is the third cranial nerve. Oculomotor, it is consisting of two divisions, superior and the inferior divisions. These two divisions are also passing through the intermediate compartment of superior orbital fissure. Then A stands for abducens, that is the sixth cranial nerve. It is also passing through the intermediate compartment of superior orbital fissure. Now we are going to see the medial compartment. Medial compartment which is passing inferior ophthalmic vein, that is passing through the medial compartment of superior orbital fissure. So that is about the superior orbital fissure structures passing through. Thank you dear friends, thanks for watching. Please once again go through the textbook and study all the structures and try to remember them. See you soon with a new class. Bye bye.